wrench. My steering is... Yeah, you don't have a monkey wrench on you.
Hannah found a skate park. And she's terrified.
What is it? Third day camping? Thursday? Yeah.
Third day camping.
Third day
Thursday. And Hannah is really going to break her neck. She's scared to even go on a ramp. She's got so many excuses right now that she can't go on the ramps. She's chicken.
Hannah, come on. You really want me to try a ramp?
No, I don't. Actually.
You don't want Hannah, try that one. You really don't want me to. You not.
I want to see you try.
You want to see me try?
Do you really want to try? This is the reason you came over here, right?
Yeah.
To try this?
I'm tempted. First I'm going to watch how you do it, because I've never really done this before. That seems hard.
That boy can do it without any arms.
You've probably been doing it a lot longer though, too. Remember, this is only my first year.
Mm-hmm.
Every time I've ever been videotaped at fallen, so if you start videotaping... We're not videotaping.
I'm taking pictures. I'm just waiting for you to fall. Yeah.
Really want me to try it?
Yeah.
Really want me to try it?
Yeah.
First time, you really want me to try it?
Do you want to try it?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
No 911 seatbelt.
Yeah.
Yes.
When you're scared. Huh? Are you scared?
Yeah, but I'm a little intimidated. Strange people.
It's too different.